Reestablishing ties, reconnecting and rebuilding relationships. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very meaningful phrase in the English language: reestablish ties. Whether it's a friendship, a family bond, or a professional relationship, understanding this phrase can help you navigate through the complexities of reconnecting with others. So, let's dive in and unfold the layers of reestablishing ties. Reestablish ties is a phrase that implies reconnecting or rebuilding a relationship that has been paused, interrupted, or weakened over time. It's about making efforts to bring back the strength and closeness in a relationship. This phrase is often used when talking about diplomatic relations between countries, but it's equally relevant in personal and professional contexts. There are numerous reasons why people or entities decide to reestablish ties. It could be the realization of the value the other party holds, the need to collaborate on mutual interests, or the desire to heal past differences. Understanding the motivation behind reestablishing ties can provide valuable insight into the process and how it might unfold. Reestablishing ties is not always straightforward. It often requires patience, communication, and a willingness to understand and forgive past grievances. Here are some steps commonly involved in the process. 1. Reaching out. Taking the first step to initiate contact. 2. Acknowledging the past. Recognizing and addressing previous issues. 3. Building trust. Taking actions that show commitment to a positive relationship. 4. Maintaining the connection. Consistently nurturing the relationship to prevent future disruptions. While the idea of reconnecting may seem appealing, it's important to acknowledge the challenges involved. Misunderstandings, unresolved issues, and differences in expectations can pose significant obstacles. It's crucial to approach the process with a clear mind and an understanding heart. Reestablishing ties is a powerful concept, signifying the human capacity for growth, understanding, and reconciliation. Whether you're looking to reconnect with an old friend, a family member, or a professional acquaintance, remember that it's a journey of patience, communication, and mutual respect. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into reestablishing ties. Stay connected, and see you in the next video.